Hi everyone, today we're going to crochet this cute ladybug and you'll need two colors of yarn, any yarn you like, but it should be of the same yardage. I use yarn jeans, red and black. Then I will use 1.75mm crochet hook, then some fiber fill to stuff the toy, just a little indeed. I'll also use scissors, a sewing needle, and some plastic amigurumi eyes. If you use markers, you should prepare one as well, but I'm going to use just a thread of a contrasting color. And I also use some transparent glue to glue the eyes to the toy. That's it, the pattern is super easy and you can crochet this ladybug even if you are a complete beginner. I didn't speed up so you can follow and crochet together with me, but if you still find it difficult, try watching the video called Amigurumi Basic Stitches. You'll find the card with the link somewhere here. So, let's start crocheting! We start crocheting by a magic circle, a chain stitch, and now we need to crochet 6 single crochets into the magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we need to pull the tail to fasten, and the first round is ready. I'm going to use a thread of a contrasting color to mark the round's beginning. So place the marker and now continue crocheting. We need to make 6 increases for the second round, which means you crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch around. So the first increase, 1 and 2 into the same stitch. The second increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch. The third increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 4, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 5, 1, 2 into the same stitch. And the last increase for this round, 1, 2 into the same stitch. The second round is ready and you need to have 12 stitches in total. Now place the marker and crochet a single crochet in each stitch around. No increases or decreases needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The round is ready and now we're going to crochet one more round following the same pattern, so a single crochet in each stitch around and the number of stitches remains the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The round is ready and we are going to crochet slip stitches the next round, so a slip stitch in each stitch around. 12 stitches in total again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The round is ready, and now we need to crochet the next round using red color. So we need to change the color first. So we need to make the last stitch and crochet a slip stitch using red color, like this. Now we continue crocheting, and we crochet through back loops only. I'm not sure if you can see it, but each stitch has 2 loops. This one is called the front one, and this one is called the back one. So we're going to crochet back loops only, so the color change is invisible. We crochet 3 single crochets first through back loops only, and I will try to attach the tails in the process. So 1, again back loops only, 2, and 3. So I crocheted 3 single crochets, and now I need to crochet 6 increases, which means I will crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch for 6 times. Back loops only. 1, 2 into the same stitch. Now the second increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 3, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 4, back loop only again, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Now increase number 5, 1, 2 into the same stitch, and one more increase, 1 and 2 into the same stitch, and I will crochet 3 more single crochets, back loops only, again, 1, 2 and 3. The round is ready, and now I'm going to cut the black thread. Now I'll place the marker and continue crocheting, and I want to crochet 3 even rounds now, which means you crochet a single crochet in each stitch around, and the number of stitches remains the same as we don't make any increases or decreases, so it should be 18 stitches in total. So let's crochet the first round of 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and the last one, 18. The first round of 18 is ready, and we need to crochet 2 more rounds following the same pattern, so a single crochet in each stitch around. I will skip a bit and meet you when I crochet all the even rounds. I've already crocheted 3 even rounds of 18 stitches, but I believe that's too little, so I'm going to crochet 1 more round of 18, no increases or decreases needed. So you should get 4 even rounds in total. Let's make the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and the last one, 18. So let's continue crocheting, and we need to start decreasing now, and we need to make 3 decreases in a round. So we have 18 stitches in total, and now we need to crochet 4 single crochets, then a decrease 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first decrease, 3 single crochets again, 1, 2, 3, 1 more single crochet, and the second decrease, and one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a decrease. I'm making visible decreases. You can make simple ones, so it's up to you. I'm going to cut this thread too. The first round with decreases is ready, and now we continue decreasing in the next round. And this time we crochet 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and a decrease. The second time, 1, 2, 3, and the second decrease. One more time, 1, 2, 3, and the last decrease. The round is ready, and you should get 12 stitches in total. Before we continue crocheting, we need to stuff the toy. So let's take some fiberfill and stuff it. You don't need much fiberfill as the toy is quite small, but if you use another yarn, you may need more fiberfill. So just stuff the toy. It's not very convenient as the hole is not as big. Arrange the fiberfill in the process so the ladybug has a proper shape. I've stuffed the toy, and now I'm going to crochet the last round, and I'm going to make 6 decreases. So the first decrease, 1, the second one, 2, the third decrease, decrease number 4, decrease number 5, and the last decrease. So we've finished crocheting. Now we need to cut the thread and pull it through the loop. Fasten, remove the marker. The ladybug is almost ready, and we need now just to divide the wings and embroider the spots. But before that, we need to close off the hole. I insert the needle into front loops only, one by one. And the last one. Tighten a bit. And after that, insert the needle into the center of the hole and come out somewhere. Tighten again. So the hole is closed. Now fasten the thread. And weave in the tail. Now cut a piece of black thread, insert it into the needle, and we are going to embroider the spots and divide the wings. I'll first divide the wings in the middle, so insert the needle and I leave a longer tail here so it's convenient later to fasten off and weave in the tails. Now let's divide it in the middle and I insert the needle into the center of the hole and come out where the first spot will be. So let's make the first spot. I just cross stitch one of the single crochets. And I'll make 2 more spots on the sides. And the same for the second part. That's the last spot and I'm going to come out near the tail I left previously. Now I'll make a knot to fasten. And I'm going to weave in the tails. So our little ladybug is ready. You can add some eyes if you wish. I'm going to glue the simplest plastic eyes. I use some transparent glue to glue the eyes and I'll attach them one by one. It's too much glue, so I'm going to divide it for both eyes. Something like that. So be careful and don't put too much glue as it's hard to take it after that. But that's it. The ladybug is ready. Hope you enjoyed crocheting it. Thanks for watching. Follow DidyToys for more crochet hacks and tutorials. See you!